The apple tree, a symbol of nature and life. The apple tree is one of the most well-known and beloved trees in the world. It has been a symbol of life, knowledge, and abundance for centuries. Apple trees are found in many countries, and they provide not only delicious fruit but also beauty to the landscape. In this essay, we will explore the history of the apple tree, its role in culture, how it grows, and its importance in today's world. Apple trees have a long history. They are believed to have originated in Central Asia, and they have been cultivated for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, valued the apple tree for its fruit. The apple has been part of many myths and legends, often representing knowledge and temptation. One of the most famous stories involving an apple tree is the biblical story of Adam and Eve, where the apple is seen as the forbidden fruit. As time went on, apple trees spread across Europe and eventually to other parts of the world. Today, apple trees can be found in many different climates, from temperate regions to colder areas. They are grown in countries like the United States, China, and New Zealand, which are some of the largest producers of apples. The apple tree is more than just a source of fruit. It plays an important role in culture and traditions. In many cultures, the apple tree is a symbol of wisdom, health, and prosperity. In Norse mythology, apples are believed to provide eternal youth. In Celtic traditions, apple trees were associated with magic and the afterlife. The apple tree also holds a special place in art and literature. Poets and painters have often used apple trees to represent beauty, growth, and the cycle of life. Growing an apple tree requires patience and care. Apple trees can be grown from seeds, but most commercial growers use grafting, a process where a branch from one tree is attached to the rootstock of another tree. This method ensures that the new tree will have the same quality of fruit as the original tree. Apple trees need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to grow properly. They also need regular pruning to help them stay healthy and produce fruit. An apple tree usually takes several years to mature before it starts producing fruit. Once the tree is mature, it will bloom in the spring with beautiful white or pink flowers. These flowers attract bees, which help pollinate the tree so it can produce apples. By late summer or early fall, the apples are ready to be harvested. There are thousands of different types of apples, each with its own unique taste, texture, and color. Some apples are sweet, while others are more tart. The most popular varieties include Red Delicious, Granny Smith, and Fuji apples. Each type of apple has its own special use. For example, Granny Smith apples are great for baking because they hold their shape well, while Fuji apples are known for their sweet taste and are often eaten raw. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and they offer many health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system. Apples are also high in fiber, which is good for digestion. Eating apples regularly can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol, and even improve brain health. The phrase, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," is not just a saying. It is based on the real health benefits that apples provide. In addition to their health benefits, apples are used in many different foods and products. Apple pies, apple juice, and apple cider are just a few of the delicious treats that come from apples. Apple trees also provide wood, which can be used for making furniture, tools, and even musical instruments. The versatility of the apple tree makes it one of the most valuable trees in the world. In modern agriculture, apple trees play a crucial role. Apples are one of the most widely grown fruits, and they are an important crop for many farmers. Apple orchards can be found in many parts of the world, and they provide jobs for millions of people. The process of growing, harvesting, and selling apples supports many local economies. Sustainable farming practices are becoming more common in apple orchards as farmers look for ways to reduce the use of chemicals and protect the environment. The apple tree also plays a role in environmental conservation. Apple trees, like many other trees, help improve air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also provide habitats for many animals, including birds and insects. In urban areas, apple trees can be planted in parks and gardens, adding greenery and improving the quality of life for residents. In conclusion, the apple tree is much more than just a tree that produces fruit. It has a rich history and plays a significant role in many cultures around the world. The apple tree symbolizes wisdom, health, and abundance. It is also an important part of agriculture and the environment. Whether enjoyed as a fresh snack, used in cooking, or admired for its beauty, the apple tree continues to be a valuable and cherished part of nature. As we look to the future, the apple tree will remain an essential part of our lives, providing food, health, and beauty for generations to come.